Namaskar, hearty welcome to this goodness journey. Mission 1 Million Dignity 2022 begins with one of the most awaited dignity program for all India, supported by GIC-RE. So we are at the Karnataka state to launch the program. So we are here to launch the dignity program, menstrual hygiene management, which was started by IDF in 2014 and already reached more than 100,000 girls and women. And it was so active during the pandemic time. So we have the team. I wish to welcome the entire panel over here. Dr. Franklin is with us, the Chief Executive of IDF from Stella Maris School, Bangalore. We have Arul Raji, we have Ramakrishna ji from RV School at Bangalore. We also have the team of both the schools of Stella Maris and RV School for the launch of the Karnataka state. To support the entire mission, we have the team leader Jayashree Madam from GIC-RE, who is going to bless the entire event. We start the program of Dignity Project. I would request Dr. Franklin and the team to stay put, the blessings from Jayashree Madam to follow. I would request Jayashree Ma'am to give us the go-ahead initiative so that we start the program. Jayashree Madam. Maybe there is a technical glitch. I would request Dr. Franklin to introduce for the Karnataka launch.
Yes, Prakash, good morning to you. And it is really a very happy occasion for us in Karnataka. We are able to continue this Project Dignity program for this year. We have just started the program. I am in Stella Maris School at Padmanabhanagar, Bangalore. The school was started nearly 2 decades ago in the year 1998. Madam Nirmala, and the purpose is to reach out to poor children from lower middle class to have an English medium education. The school is really doing wonderfully well, and the school is also a proud partner for many social activities initiated by Indian Development Foundation. And today we have got children from 10th standard and 9th standard. The children are here, around 40 children are here. Of course, there are more children because of COVID situation. We are not bringing everybody online here. The forms are all kept here. Sorry, the dignity kits are kept here, and we are waiting for the distribution. We are immensely thankful to GIC team, especially Madam Jayashree, for the magnanimity with which they are continuing to support a very deserving cause like Project Dignity. It's something really laudable, and we are very much thankful and inspired by their kindness. Yes, Prakash, that's all. And
that was good to hear from Stella Maris, Dr. Franklin. Maybe I can hear something from RV Girls School also, if Ramakrishna ji can help, or maybe Nandini Madam, who is there, who can speak about the school. We can see the students seated in perfect social distancing. They're observing all the protocols as the distribution happens. Very nice, very nice. Can we have the RV Girls School team?
Yes, sir. I'll pass my phone to my headmistress, Vadi ma'am. She will.
Yes.
She will introduce about our school, sir.
Yes.
One second.
Hello.
Yes, madam. Yes, ma'am. We can. Good morning, ma'am. Good morning.
This is Ravi Girls High School. We are in We have a consist of around 430, and 8th and 9th standards, due to COVID restriction, they have not come to school. We have selected one section, in particular Kannada medium section, for this program. We are very happy, sir. You have selected our school among so many schools in Bangalore, so many schools in Karnataka, and I'm very thankful to GIC Ray and IDF and the people who here, the organizers, coordinators, Ramkrishna sir, uh, uh, Arun Raj and Nagraj. They are doing a lot to us, and our students also benefited last year. They distributed this kit, and it was very useful. Thank you very much for your great concern to the girl child. It's really very good because it's not their problem, it's the problem of the entire humankind. You are really supporting a great cause. Thank you, sir.
Great. Wonderful message coming in from Madam. Great. Nice to hear you. We would like to take a message from Jayashri Madam also. Jayashri Ma'am, as the launch for South India starts from Karnataka and
Yeah,
RV Girls School and Stella Mary School, can we have your blessings, ma'am?
sir, we are just means to an end. As CSR is our duty to do work that will reach out to the last person. And this is something, that this topic, like I had mentioned last year, it is always brushed under the carpet. So we've had an experience of launching the same event with you at Dharavi, and I see the students in just exactly the same manner, same way they are sitting. So it's such a pleasure to watch it all over again. And associating with your NGO, associating with you has been very fruitful for us also. Your NGO, there is a lot of transparency and good governance the way you all conduct the event. And my colleague Janice is also here. If she can also share it, because this is the first experience of doing a CSR live event. So it will be nice for her to chip in also. And best wishes for
Yeah,
IDF, best
namaste.
wishes for all the girls. They must be, if they are having their exams round the corner, if they are having any other prelims or something, so best wishes for all of them. And a very happy new year to everyone. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Wonderful, ma'am. Thank you for the wonderful, kind, and continued support. Salutations to Team GICRE for responding to the call, which is needed the most. Janet, ma'am, happy welcome to you. And can we also
Yeah,
hear your message?
yeah. I would also like to wish you all the best. And nice to see you doing all this good, great job. Sorry that I couldn't visit Dharavi at that point of time. I had just entered the department, but I heard a great deal about your dignity project from Madam and the other team members. All the best to
Fantastic.
you.
Thank you.
Yeah,
Thank you. Thank you.
thank you.
Dr. Franklin, we had received blessings from Team GIC, Madam Jayashri and Madam Janet. Both are JJ. J means joyful. They are both joyful people. And Franklin ji, I would request you to please start with Stella Maris first. Can we go ahead with Stella Maris first?
Yes, Prayadji.
Yeah, yeah, yeah,
Yes,
yeah.
yeah. So I may request Madam Nirmala, the principal, to kindly come and present the dignity kits to the children. Children, you can come one by one and take the thing. I will give me a little place. I can. No, children can come and receive from Madam. I will go this side.
Very
Madam,
nice.
you can. Yeah.
Happy to see the girls, we can say the angels, they are being provided with the dignity kit. It's a year-long supply of menstrual hygiene management, and it has the supplies like 96 sanitary pads. It has 4 undergarments, soap, towel, mask, and the bag. Yes, these are all provided thanks to the wonderful CSR support from GIC team. We are now at Stella Mary's school at Bengaluru, where the distribution is happening. Principal Madam is handing over the dignity kits to the girls in the Stella Mary school. And as we say that in lockdown many things stopped, but menstruation doesn't stop was our mantra, and many people rather have come forward and supported this wonderful project, which is the most divine program. And the responses that we received from a lot of recipients, particularly the girls and the women, during the COVID-19 time was really welcoming, because it was the need of the hour for them. Wonderful distribution is happening at Stella Mary's School, which we are seeing it live. Yeah. Yes, Dr. Franklin, that's really a great thing to see girls coming one by one in perfect order and receiving it.
Yes. Thank you, Balaji.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Go ahead.
Put it on white screen. Yeah. As we keep distributing, our team at RV Girls can see how it is being done so that they can follow it. So this is Karnataka launch. So in all, we have around 6,000 girls supported by GICRE. We are covering 6 states: Maharashtra, Telangana, Andhra Pradesh, Karnataka, Tamil Nadu, and Goa. So these are the 6 states. Maharashtra we have already completed in the month of October. That is during Diwali time, and now we have come up with the distribution for the southern states, which have all the Telangana, Andhra Pradesh, Karnataka, Tamil Nadu, and Goa. So the first one in 2022, observing and looking into the protocols all around, we need to be careful. The number of girls, though, they will come in lesser number and then receive the kits. Proper due diligence will be sent to
ನೀವು
the
ಕೊಡ್ತೀರಾ ಸರ್
CSR
ನೀವು
support.
ನೀವು
Yeah.
ಕೊಡ್ತೀರಾ
Franklin ji, very nice to see.
Thank you.
Yeah.
I can also see RV Girls School team also started the distribution. Yeah, this is RV Girls School distribution is happening. Very nice. Principal madam herself, both there are two principals on either sides.
Come back with the different things. Come back with the different things. Please keep quiet. Tell them to keep quiet. Tell them to keep quiet.
Opportunities during the challenging time. So challenging time is the COVID-19 time, but we don't stop. We are unstoppable. Once you believe yourself, you become unstoppable. So we have wonderful distribution happening at both the places, which is witnessed by our team. Great to see the girls from Stella Mary School and RV Girls School receiving the dignity kits. Wonderful. Nandini ma'am, who is also a sports personality, supporting the girls in the RV Girls School. Very nice, very nice. Challenging times, but yes, there is a savior who comes at the challenging time, difficult times to provide support. So our supporter, our savior for this wonderful and noble mission is GICRE supporting us. Great.
Please, it should not come. Prakash ji.
We can see. We can see.
Yeah.
We can see.
Yeah. As a token of thanks, they are lifting the kits and conveying their heartfelt thanks to GIC team and IDF.
Wonderful, wonderful.
The principal of the school,
yeah,
Madam Nirmala, also would like to say something on this occasion. Can I give the camera to her?
Please go ahead. Please go ahead, Dr. Franklin. Yeah. Very well managed. Very well managed. Yeah.
Good morning and wish you happy new year. And I am here on behalf of Stella Mary School to thank all the donors and also the members of Indian Development Foundation. And we are very much benefited. We are very much benefited from GIC also, General Insurance Corporation of India. And especially I thank Mrs. Jayashree. And I thank all of you because you have found that this is the very much needed help that you can reach out to the poor girls. During this pandemic, and for many things, people were struggling, especially to fulfill their basic needs. And you are the only people, your foundation came forward to identify the real need of the girl child, and you have fulfilled their need. Even last year, we got the help from IDF, and so we from GIC only. So we the members of Stella Mary School, we are really proud to announce that you are all great people to reach to this needy people. So we are thankful and grateful to you all.
What a message coming from the principal, straight from the heart. Rather, we should be thankful to ma'am for the opportunity provided. Can we also have, Franklin ji, any more messages? I think we can see wonderful girls being seated.
Ready? Would you like to hear them?
Yeah, we can see them. We can see them. Yeah.
Children who are ready, please want to talk. Please come.
Any student who would like to respond? Yeah.
Yeah. Please. One by one. Who is that?
Franklin ji, how many? 2 girls, 1 girl?
There are 4 girls ready.
Okay. Fine. Let them speak. No problem, because an opportunity is important.
Yes.
I'm so happy to take this Indian Development Foundation, and I'm very useful something for going to and very comfortable while sleeping and working. I am so useful by this, and also I'm thankful to GIC for giving this good opportunity and select school for giving this. Thanks really and useful for us.
Thank you so much. Yeah, who's the next student?
I am Manoj. I'm Manoma from Pensaret, studying in Saramari School. I'm very thankful to Indian Development Foundation and GIP. They gave me sanitary pads for us, and it is very useful for us while we are sleeping. Or we can move, we can move anywhere. We can come to school without any fear. I'm grateful to plan and IDS here. And
One more student, yes. Yes.
I am Sarah from 9th standard. I am studying in Salamani School. I want to thank IDIC and the Indian Development Foundation. This foundation was very useful. They are giving me pads. These pads were hygienic. I was really thankful to IDIC. Thank you.
Thank you.
So cute message. Yeah.
Can we hear one more student?
Yeah, we can. I think there are also students from RV Girls School speaking,
Okay.
Yes.
but we
Yes,
continue.
you speak now.
Yeah.
Yeah, one more.
please.
Last one. Yes.
Yeah.
Thank you for Indian Development Foundation. I am also ID pads and
So we are done, Rayaji. You can.
Great. Now we'll move to RV Girls. Yeah. Franklin, you can keep your camera on and under mute.
ಸಮಾಜದಲ್ಲಿ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಅದನ್ನು ತಗೊಂಡು ನಗುವಷ್ಟರ ಬಂದಿತ್ತು. ಈ ಸಮಿತಿಯವರು ಇಲ್ಲ ಈ ತರ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಅನ್ಕೊಂಡು ಬಂದಿರೋದಕ್ಕೆ ತುಂಬಾ ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ಸ್. ಇಂಡಿಯನ್ ಡೆವಲಪ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಫೌಂಡೇಶನ್ ಅವರಿಗೆ ತುಂಬಾ ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ಸ್. GIC3 ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ತುಂಬಾನು ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ಸ್. ಹೇಳಕ್ಕೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಹುಡುಗಿಯರಿಗೆ ಇದು ತುಂಬಾ ಕಷ್ಟನೇ, ಆದ್ರೆ ಇದನ್ನ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ನಮ್ಗೆ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ಈ ಫೌಂಡೇಶನ್ ತುಂಬಾನೇ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಹೋದ ವರ್ಷನೂ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಆಪರ್ಚುನಿಟಿ ಸಿಕ್ಕಿತ್ತು, ಆದ್ರೆ ಈ ತರ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಇದ್ದಿಲ್ಲ. ಇದರಿಂದ ನಾವು ತುಂಬಾನೇ ಕಲ್ತ್ಕೊಂಡ್ವಿ. ಸೊ ಬಂದಿದ್ದಕ್ಕೆ ಈ ಫೌಂಡೇಶನ್ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ತುಂಬಾ ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ಸ್. ನನ್ನ ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು. ಏನನ್ನ ಮಾತಾಡ್ತೀನಿ.
ಯಾರು ಮಾತಾಡ್ಬೇಕಾ? ಓಕೆ ಫೈನ್. ನಾಲ್ಕು ತೆಗೆದು ಎಷ್ಟು
ನನ್ನ ಹೆಸರು ರಮ್ಯಾ ದೇವಿ ಅಂತ. ನಾನು ಆರ್ವಿ ಬಾಲಕಿಯರ ಪ್ರೌಢಶಾಲೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಶಿಕ್ಷಣ ತೆಗೆದುಕೊಳ್ಳುತ್ತಿದ್ದೇನೆ. ನನ್ನ 10ನೇ ತರಗತಿ ಡಿ ವಿಭಾಗದಲ್ಲಿ ವ್ಯಾಸಂಗ ಮಾಡುತ್ತಿದ್ದೇನೆ. ನಮ್ಮ ಶಾಲೆಯ ಹೆಸರು ರಾಷ್ಟ್ರೀಯ ವಿದ್ಯಾಲಯ ಬಾಲಕಿಯರ ಪ್ರೌಢಶಾಲೆ. ಇದು ಬೆಂಗಳೂರಿನಲ್ಲಿದೆ. ಈ ಫೌಂಡೇಶನ್ ಇಂದ ನಮ್ಮ ಎಲ್ಲ ಹೆಣ್ಣು ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೆ ತುಂಬಾ ಸಹಾಯಕವಾಗಿದೆ. ಈ ಫೌಂಡೇಶನ್ಗೆ ತುಂಬಾ ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು. ಮತ್ತೆ GICD ಅವರು ಈ ಫೌಂಡೇಶನ್ ಅನ್ನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಕ್ಕೆ ತುಂಬಾ ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು. ಮತ್ತೆ ಇಂಡಿಯನ್ ಡೆವಲಪ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಫೌಂಡೇಶನ್ ಅವರು ಇದನ್ನು ಹೆಣ್ಣು ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೆ ಕೊಡ್ಬೇಕಂತ ತುಂಬಾ ಇಚ್ಛೆ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಕ್ಕೆ ತುಂಬಾ ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಹೆಣ್ಣು ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಇದರಿಂದ ತುಂಬಾ ಕಷ್ಟ ಪಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಇದು ಸಿಕ್ಕಿದ್ರಿಂದ ಅವ್ರಿಗೂ ಸಂತೋಷ ಮತ್ತೆ ಅವ್ರ ಕುಟುಂಬದವ್ರಿಗೂ ಇದರಿಂದ ಸಂತೋಷ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಇದರಿಂದ ತುಂಬಾ ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು. ಎಲ್ಲಾ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳ ಪರವಾಗಿ ನಾನು ಅವರಿಗೆ ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳನ್ನ ಕೋರುತ್ತೇನೆ.
Very nice.
ಸರ್ ಒನ್ ಮೋರ್ ಮಿನಿಟ್. ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಇಂಗ್ಲೀಷ್
Good morning, Honorable Budget. I'm a class teacher of RV Girls High School and also student union secretary. I'm very thankful to you, Indian Development Foundation and GIC, CEO of GIC. I'm very kind of you, sir. You have given a good opportunity to girls. It is very helpful for our students in this pandemic situation. They will take good help from you. Very thankful to you, Ramakrishna sir and team. Very kind of you, sir. Thank you very much.
for the fundraiser. Varda.
Thank you very much for our school administrator, Srimati H.S. Swami, given this opportunity to organize the program. And also, Center sir, our senior teacher, I'm very grateful to him. He will cooperate and very well in all the what are the things possible in the school, in all the matters, he is very helpful and very grateful to Nancy also because our media junior media even the experts in a very great manner to take all the videos and the presentation. Thank you very much, Nandini. Thank you very much, sir. Thank you, sir. On behalf of our school and also management, and thanks, Ananda. Thank you.
No. Hey, no,
Thank
nothing.
Thank you so much, Team RV Girls School and Stella Mary's.
Yes, sir.
Thank you,
Thank
sir.
you
Thank
so
you very
much.
much.
Jayashree ma'am, can we wrap up?
Very well organized. Even when it's virtual, well organized.
Thank you. Yeah.
Best
We will
wishes
ask
to everyone, to IDF team. Best wishes to IDF team, to all schools and all the teachers and team members.
Thank you. We will ask them to continue with this session.
Yes, please.
Thank you.
Yeah,
Namaskar.
and good health to you too. Huh? Lots of good health to you.
Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you, Janet ma'am. Thank you, and regards to everyone in the GICRE.
Welcome.
Yes.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Jai Ho.
Thank you.
Off.
So we were watching the wonderful program, Dignity Project of IDF, providing complete menstrual hygiene management supported by GICRE. This year, the support is for 6,000 girls, and we have already done with Maharashtra state. Of the 6 states, Telangana, Andhra Pradesh, Karnataka, Goa, and Tamil Nadu, of the southern states. So we are going to have the we are having the Karnataka state launch today with the school children receiving the dignity kit. So our sincere gratitude to the supporters GICRE and both the school teams and all the schools in Karnataka who are going to be blessed with this dignity kit. Our sincere gratitude to Dr. Franklin, our team members, Ramkrishnan ji, our Arul Raj sir, Nagaraj sir, and also Meghana, who has been coordinating. Gratitude to the teachers, principals, and the students who have so well organized and managed today's program of Dignity program in Karnataka state. God bless you all. Stay tuned to the Goodness Channel, IDFG. Jai Hind and Jai Ho.